In this special Law of Attraction video, you're going to learn how to make yourself invisible. Hi, this is Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And yes, today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And today we're talking about how to become invisible. Now you may ask, why would you want to become invisible? But think about it. There are times when you just need to kind of pull the blanket over you. Just block out the outside world. Go inside yourself. You need things quieted down. You need the text messages to stop. It's just a wonderful thing to have this special skill. Now, before we begin, let me emphasize something very important. This is not witchcraft. Okay? I want to emphasize that because I know somebody's going to type that in there. This looks like witchcraft to me. Look, you can move your finger, right? You can move your hand. You can move your head. You can speed up your heart rate. You can slow it down through meditation or exercise. You also have an energy field, and you can enliven it, bring it up, shoot it out there, or you can bring it down and encapsulate it around you. And by doing that, you become less visible. It doesn't mean that you're going to simply disappear. What it means is that people are going to notice you less. Let me give you an example. Many years ago, I was fishing with my son, and you don't really need a fishing license if you're fishing with a little kid, teaching him how to fish. But this guy came running out of the woods with a big badge on, and he called the police and everything else. So the police were there, he was there, and I handed him my ID, which was expired and from another state, but still good. And he went through the ID, they ran it through the computer, I gave him my name, they ran that through the computer, and I was just learning the invisibility stuff. I was just getting my mind wrapped around it. So I was practicing it while they were running all this stuff on me. And the young police officer came back to the old police officer and said, "I think we need to take him in. This guy literally does not exist. We can't find him anywhere." The old police officer said, "Look, this is still America. Let him go, write him a ticket, and we'll go from there." Anyway, it was a wonderful experience because it proved to me that invisibility is real. It wasn't that they couldn't see me. It's that my energy field was blocking out unwanted interference. In this case, they couldn't find me on their computers for some reason. So, how does invisibility work? Our energy field, our aura, expands out. For most people, it expands about 4 to 5 feet. But when you really want to enliven it, you can bring in specific types of energy or vibrations and send out your aura 20, 30, 40 feet. You can be one of those people that walk into a room and everybody looks because your aura is all over the place. Conversely, you can do the opposite with your aura. You can walk into a room and nobody seems to notice you. People won't even remember that you were there. It's not that they can't see you, it's that they can't register you because we don't just communicate with people body to body, eye to eye. We communicate energy-wise. We communicate through our auras, through our energy fields. So by bringing your energy field down and wrapping it around you in the form of a bluish, dark bluish, black egg, becomes very, very powerful in creating the invisibility you desire at the moment. Now, on the tree of life in the Kabbalah, the third sephira down is called Bina. And Bina is where invisibility takes place. It's an energy vibration that is very encapsulated, almost like a womb. And so here on the Tree of Life, we're focusing on Bina energy. Well, Bina has a divine name in the Kabbalah, and the divine name is Yud-He Vav-He Elohim. Yud-He Vav-He Elohim. It also has an archangel, and the archangel's name is Zaphkiel. Here's a picture of the archangel right there. So the archangel is so important because the archangel literally descends down upon you and covers you with this bluish, dark blue, indigo, black egg. So all I do is I close my eyes for a moment, if I can, and I say, in the name of Yod-He Vav-He Elohim, I call on Zaphkiel, the great archangel of invisibility, to cover me with your wings. And then I visualize my aura in a dark black egg with one thin ray of white light coming down. So here I am in this bluish black egg, but I have a white light, kind of a thread of white light coming down because I need that light. I don't want to block out the light. So it's not that the black energy is anti-light. It's actually black light, if you will. But we need the white light to be healthy and to survive. So I'm visualizing and seeing this white thread coming down into the egg. Now I see myself in a bluish black egg. I slow down my breathing. Fourfold breath. And as I am visualizing, the black egg gets thicker and darker. And then I make what the ancients call the sign of silence, the sign of Harpocrat. That seals the egg around me. I'm literally encapsulated in this bluish black egg. Now, it doesn't mean people can't see me, but if I do a good job, I actually become blurry a little bit to people. They can't seem to focus on me. And they don't seem to be looking for me. And I seem to be out of their mental reach. Now, understand, if somebody has bloodhounds and they are out looking for you, this will help, but it will not stop them. They will find you. In other words, if you're on the run, the bloodhounds are chasing you, this will help you, but it will not completely protect you. There are enormous, very complicated rituals that the ancients perform and that mystics perform that take hours and hours and hours. And they do these rituals on a regular basis. You and I don't have time for that, do we? So, this is a simple method. Call on Zaphkiel. Visualize those wings wrapping around you. Feel that protection. I like to go to sleep at night in the blue-black egg. the egg of invisibility. So give it a try and be sure and write me and let me know some of your experiences. I'd like to share them with other people. And if you have questions, write them down below, and be sure and subscribe to this channel because we have something positive and uplifting for you every single day. I think I'm going to go now. Goodbye.